You know what we get to do now? We get to take the elevator. That's correct. We take the elevator and we just wait for the door to open. Okay? Have you ever flown before? I know, it's exciting, isn't it? It is exciting. No eating the shirt. No eating the shirt. Here comes the elevator. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, what floor would you like? Would you like the second? It's your only choice. Up to the second floor we go. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Isn't that great? And, oh yeah, up we go on the elevator. Wow! There we go. On the elevator to the second floor. Is that not great? Is that not great? Yeah? Is that great? Yes, it is. That was your first elevator ride.